I'm so sorry I've not brought our son back home. Trust me, it's not my fault. It's my father's. He has not released my son to me. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Go on, get ready. I'm taking you home. If it's God's will that Nkasi will be taken away from us, or if it pleases him that we are not going to have more children, then so be it. I want you back.
I love you.
I love you more.
I love you so much.
You're happy now, yeah? You're celebrating. You have gotten what you have always wanted. To be in enmity with your son-in-law. Keep celebrating. I don't even know what I'm doing here with you. All in the name of marriage.
There's no problem. You can go back to your father's house. Or better still, join your daughter with that her miserable baboon husband. Your days in my house is even expiring. I don't need you anymore.
John.